Stanford Park.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bedlam TV with Jason and Bedlam on a Sunday. A boating lake, a multi-game area, play area, water fountains, duck pond, I don't think we've... Oh, Avery. Yeah, number 8. There everyone. Oh, he likes it in here. Oh, it looks dirty. Oh, little tunnel. Tunnel there. A little tunnel. Oh. Might be rats. Having a paddle. Paddle, you'll be all wet. Come on. I don't want you being... Whoa! 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 Come on! Come on! Back! It's alright. We just nearly pulled it in flying. Oh my god, I saw it before it happened. What's that thing in the middle for? It is literally always off-lead dogs causing a commotion. Oh, he's a cute little one. Haha. It is. I've not. How gorgeous it is here, guys. It's really pretty. Don't have him jump over and then. It's lovely, isn't it, guys? Look at this here. This is nice. Come here, mud. Don't go in the mud. Ooh, guys. Just jump that. Don't go crazy, did he? He did a little bit. He jumped up and then... Wow, look at this thing here. What was that? It's for decor. Oh. Nice, isn't it? It's very old, isn't it? You can tell. It's a very old place. Hi everyone, you're watching Bedlam TV with Lisa, Jason and Teddy. Today we are in beautiful Stanford Park in Ashton-under-Lyne. We hope you enjoy watching and we hope you like and subscribe. Back to my hand gestures. Whoa! Come on! He's got to say hello, doesn't he? He's excited, isn't he? Oh. Garden. Ooh. Ooh, they're pretty, aren't they? Come. Don't do that. Squirrels. Oh, mushrooms. We found a mushroom kingdom, guys. Another. Wow, look at these beauties. Wow, aren't they lovely?
Big buggers there, aren't they?
Yeah, don't. Can you eat them, guys? What do you think? Or are they poisonous? Yeah, aren't they cute? Oh, he's nice, isn't he? Oh, okay. The dog trainers call you names if you like your dog run after be a dog. Alright. Nice park. What is it? Come on, it's gone. Gone.
What would you do if you went somewhere on your own, Lisa? You just get lost. You just get lost, wouldn't you?
Everyone, you've been watching Bedlam TV with Jason and
The people really like that.
Oh, he's cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, those little pugs. Hey, look at that house.
Yeah. Come on.